So today we are visiting Catarata Rio Agrio, and this is a waterfall kind of in the area, part of Bajos del Toro of Costa Rica. We're basically very close to the clouds. We're up really high. It's really beautiful. It's really peaceful. We're really excited to see the waterfall. It was a long journey to get here, but we're here. So come on. Hola. Let's go. I'm just on here just for you guys to hear the waterfall, so I'm not gonna say anything. But you can hear the waterfall. We're getting closer. Getting really close. Also, they sent some like guide dogs. These are the tour guides. There's two of them. There's a black dog, and there's this little baby right here guiding us to the waterfall. How cool is that? Although being immersed in this quiet, isolated, fulfilling forest was everything that each one of my family members needed, the journey to get here was not easy. We drove up the steepest mountains to get here, mountains that had the highest cliffs on the other side of them. Cliffs so high that my mother and grandmother felt the need to pray over our journey to ensure we had a safe arrival. Despite the fear we felt on those cliffs, we kept going. We kept the faith, and we did not give up. After a short hike, we made it, and it was everything and all that we needed in that moment. We are all on a journey, and that journey looks different for everyone. But whatever your journey may look like, however the journey feels, whether it makes you feel tired, sad, impatient, or maybe it makes you feel confident, bold, or self-aware, I want you to know that there's something waiting for you at the end of your journey. Something magical, something so positive, something greater than what you could ever imagine. So I do hope you feel inspired to keep going. And if you don't feel inspired, I challenge you to keep seeking until you find what inspires you to keep going. Seek and you shall find. That is all for today, lovely people. I'm Gabby from Lately Living. Peace.